Hi guys, this is my mini bar. It's almost finished, but then since we are in the period of liquor ban, so there's no liquor being displayed over that hanging cabinet there, and at the center of that mini bar too. I just placed one empty bottle of um, liquor just to emphasize the beauty of a simple mini bar I did. Yeah, this is the request of my son. He requested that if I can project a mini bar inside our living room and said, just give me a design and I will just put additional or improvise any decor on it. So I love the angle bar that will support so that the hanging mini bar and with the hanger of the glass wine and the liquor, the glasses is very strong and it is very well done by a carpenter. So that's it. Although it cost a lot and it seems to be this stainless hanger is a little bit expensive and the lighting effects were powered by this brand Landlight energy saving um, downlight Landlight energy saving downlight. So it's a little bit expensive, and this one is the square where you will insert the lights, the downlight pin. This one, the Landlight LED 5 watts. So that is now the effect. Oh. So if I'm going to turn off the other light, this one, and let it be the 1 2 pin lights over there, so it looks like this. And the hanging cabinet at the back over there, it's still empty because we have 15 days liquor ban up to June 15. So after the ban, I think we can purchase different kinds of liquor. I love this. So this is it. Okay, I hope you guys you put something a mini bar over your on your house which is more beautiful than this. This is a very simple only, but I spent a lot of expenses. The labor, the material, construction materials, the paint, everything. So although it's just a very small mini bar, but it costs a lot. So money is still there. So that's it. Thank you for watching this. I hope uh, some of you guys can also project same as this, beautiful than this. Um, thank you for watching. This is MADERMARING Vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and click the notification bell button and subscribe to my channel, MADERMARING Vlog. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you.